Okay, so today I'm going to be looking at this. This is a LCD display driver. I bought it recently because I was given an old LCD display that somebody didn't want. Well, I was given the TV and I took the LCD display out because the TV didn't work anymore. So I decided I was going to put it in my shed and use it as a TV in my shed. But the only power that I've got in my shed is 12 volt. So I bought one of these. The original TV wasn't 12 volt, so I bought one of these to convert it to 12 volt. I went on eBay. I spent about £25 on eBay to buy this. With this you get the main driver board, which is this one here. You get the power converter here for the actual LCD. You get the button unit just here. I don't know if you can see that one, there we go. And then you get an IR unit, which I've also got a remote for, which I don't have here with me at the moment. And you get a cable with it as well. This cable came off the original TV. I didn't actually use the cable that came with this. I probably should, but I haven't. So yeah, let's take a look at the main driver board first. If I can hold it up to the camera and focus it, start on this side, let it focus, there we go. So you've got a 12 volt input just there, then you've got the VGA, then you've got the HDMI, then you've got the I think this is the composite, then you've got the AV and the sound, and the USB and the aerial. So yeah, and that's the main board. So and you obviously got the power converter, which you've got one plug on that end and one plug on that end. I'll just get the display a second. Okay, so I've got the display here. The product number for this one is just there on screen. Oh, I think that might be upside down. There we go. And yeah, so I've got the two LCD power connectors on each end here, which obviously go into the power converter. And then I don't know if I can get it under the camera. Right there is the PCB for the actual display, and that's where the socket goes into. That wide one, that one just there. And I shall plug it in now. So I'll take the driver board. Now obviously don't plug it in with the bottom of the board on the top of the metal casing for the LCD, because obviously you might blow it or something. So it's unplugged at the moment, so I'll plug it in. It's these ones here. I don't know if that's on shot. There you go, plug it in there as well. And then you take this one, and with the metal plate downwards, if you want it to go in like that. So is that one in shot? There we go. And I'll put that in. There we go. So like that. And then I shall turn it over. I haven't got the. I'll probably add in a bit of footage of the actual thing in a wider shot. Just try and turn this around a second, just so you can see the sort of edge of the LCD display. There we go. A bit fiddly because I haven't got much room here. There, there's the driver board. I shall plug it in now. Just get the 12 volt connection, which is already wired up to a jack. So I'm going to plug the jack in there. There we go. And then I've got a little red light that come on just here on the IR unit. So now I can turn it on. Turn it on. There we go. And it's come on. And there we go. Right, so this one, you obviously got the button unit there, you got the power, you got menu, you got volume down, volume up, channel down, channel up, and the, what's that one? I can't remember. TV, yeah, that's the source. So if I press the source button, obviously I've got TV, AV, HDMI, PC, and media. Media is just so if you plug in something into the USB slot, just there. You can play whatever's on that USB media when it comes up. There we go. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, so you've got that. As I said, I'll put some extra shots of all this out wide so you can actually see it. But yeah, I just want to quickly show you that for today. Just how to basically wire it up. You just put the power into the power socket, and then obviously if you've got an external source for media, then you obviously plug it into the HDMI or the VGA or whatever. Obviously this comes with a media player of sorts already. So yeah, I haven't got any devices in the USB at the moment, so I haven't got any media on it. But yeah, I just want to show you it, and hopefully that was helpful. If you've got any obviously comments or questions, leave them down below in the comment section. If you like the video, then obviously please give me a like, because that really does help. And if you do like my videos that are on my channel, then obviously please subscribe. That helps as well. Thank you for watching, and ta-ra.